Hello my beautiful people, my name is Jai and welcome to my channel. We're about to react to, again, Daily Dose of Internet, and this is Birds Are Fighting Back. Yeah. So sit back, relax, and let's watch Birds Are Fighting Back.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
Waiting for that food.
No.
Girl, calm down.
So this made me uncomfortable.
Sure did. Who wouldn't be? Oh, do a flip.
She wanted to buy something, but this bird had other ideas.
Can I try? Uh-oh. Hey. I'll be back tomorrow. Oh, I bet it's warm too. Gliding on the snow. What can I say?
This guy in New York City was seen controlling pigeons.
The Pigeon Man.
This dog knows how to strategically eat this without eating the medicine.
Huh? Oh, okay. You can wrap it with his tongue.
So what would you do in this situation?
And he spit out the
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What am I saying?
Oh my god.
What are we looking at? What is that?
I just found out that there are iridescent plants that change colors depending on the angle of the light.
Blue, green. It's giving yellow too.
This guy managed to perfectly hit a police car.
Cuz! Oh, hit the cop car! First responder!
What you in here for? I had a cop car when I was playing baseball.
She wanted to see if she could get her cat to turn off the light.
Lazy.
Oh, let's go!
The whole time you did that, you should have got up and that is so rude.
That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
The whole time you was doing that was your time, plugging the light, playing with your cat, the light. You should have been done. Turn out the light. The light. Okay. So that was Daily Dose of Internet. Tell me what you think. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Have a most awesome, positive day. Stay grateful. Stay blessed. Until next time.